That's what they said. Some of you may have recently separated with someone or put some distance between you and your lover. And you just don't know. There may have been some sneaky behavior. Someone may not have been who you thought they were. You feel as though whoever it is that you were dealing with, they just ain't who you thought they was. Right, her? Right? All right. You are trying to be lighthearted about this situation. You're not trying to be too serious about things because you got money to make. Okay? They're saying here that you really want to put in the effort with someone in your energy here and allow things to unfold naturally. You ain't trying to push nothing. You ain't trying to make nothing happen. You just chilling. Okay? Because I really feel like there may have been a disconnect here recently where you may have either blocked them or they blocked you, or you just had some things to go do. You may have had a business trip or dealing with family here. So you pull back. But you really do have real feelings for this person. Okay? It's some cups type of feelings. In my honest opinion. This is not the tarot, but I'm pretty sure some of these cards would have that feeling. But I feel like it's some real live emotions that you have for this person. You really like them. You know, you may be in a space of just, pulling back because there have been some things that have been revealed to you that you don't know if you can move forward. This person may have triggered certain insecurities in you and you didn't like it, right? There may be some stagnation in the way that you feel towards them or even moving forward with them because you just really don't know. So you're just trying to keep it light. You may even come to a space where you just text them a little something, babe. Call them and say a little something. But you're not very open at this time. You're not as standoffish as you may have been in the past, but you're just really in a space of like some Four of Cups type shit. I got too much going on. I ain't got time for it right now. Okay, I love you. I like you. I'm thinking about you, but I got other stuff going on. You know what I mean? You tired of the same old, same old. You ain't got time for it. Somebody lied. We're going to find out what happened. Hold on. They demand to be respected. They feel as though whatever has transpired between the two of you, either they are hoping that you will forgive them or you are hoping somebody need forgiveness. I really feel like they want you to forgive them for whatever deception may have transpired. They want to move forward and just try and get to know you on a whole other level. They want to have certain conversations with you, do certain things with you because they want to move forward. They are really, really attracted to you. What are you wearing? Okay? The way a man smell when he smell good. Flashback. Moving forward. It feels as though they are really, this person is really drawn to your energy, and they know that there may be some differences in beliefs between the two of you. They know that you do things a certain way, but they willing to hold on, whoever it is. They feel like you are worth the effort. They feel like you are someone worth trying to stabilize things with. That's how they feel. But they just really, they putting on their best to get you to notice them in a whole other level. On a whole other level. They have this whole thing planned out where when they see you, they are really taking this to another level. You're going to see some things you ain't seen before. Somebody pulling out them, not the kitten heels, but the stilettos. Ooh, whatever. I don't know your life. Yeah. They trying to, whoever this is, they really feel as though they may have been conversing with their friends and family or someone close to them on how should I do, how can I beef this up a little bit? What should I change? What should I add to my boudoir? I really feel like there may be like a group text or some type of back and forth going, moving forward because of how you feel about this person and you haven't been able to tell them. Company. Okay? But when they got plans for your ass, they do. And let me clarify this. Yeah, some shit happened. It may have been a tower moment. That's what this looked like to me. Shit just had to be broken down in order to be rebuilt. There is a huge disruption between the two of y'all. Some type of disaster struck. Out of nowhere. This person wants some forgiveness. See? Told you. They may even be presenting some gifts to you, whatever that gift may be. Maybe they finally giving you something. That's a gift. Whatever. People ain't finna be out here. Whatever. I'm gonna leave that alone. But they are really coming in. They feel as though they want to reveal the truth in a situation. Even if they are putting on all of these shows for you, they really are calling you in. They are really hoping that the timing, they're working on divine timing, whoever this is, because they really want to pull you in. They want to make things right. Okay? Capricorn. But it's going to be on you. Whoever this is, they done hit a jackpot one way or another, so they feeling themselves. They got things together and they moving forward, and they want to share this with you. It also feels as though they have been very honest with themselves. They ain't had no choice of whatever has transpired between the two of you, and they are hoping, praying, wishing, meditating, trying to get it right. It's right here. Okay. It also feels as though this person that you are dealing with, they may be in a space of having built a wall around themselves here, but they are really open to moving forward with you. This may be someone who really has a lot to offer, and you may not see it in that manner. You may just see it as, however you see it, but this is how they feel. Like, I have a lot to offer. They just need to know it. That's how they feel. But at the end of the day, they're hoping that things come back together between the two of you. All right. Okay, first of all, okay, what pops out here is a need to release somebody from your energy. Okay, whether it's you or your partner, someone needs to release the attachment that they have with the past. May have been some past arguments. You may not be who you were, and you're trying to get them to understand. It could be anything. Okay. All right, some of y'all feel like y'all are in a soulmate situation. This is someone that you can really see yourself with. You can see yourself being with this person for a while, but you want them to let up. Okay? So I got a strong feeling that you're trying to prove that you're not who you was. They need to see that. Okay? We can say anything, but actions come behind words. You're trying to remain open and honest about the situation. You are trying to you just feel as though you want this to work out. You want this, you're trying to keep hope alive, right? You're in a position of trying to express how you feel, trying to really put in the work with this person, but, you may feel as though, there's a disconnect, right? You also may be in a space of trying to let go of how you want this to go and just let things go. Just go with the flow with this here. Because I really feel like you're in a space of either it's going to work or it's not. That's how you feel. I don't know your life. It's a spiritual connection. Okay? There's a lot of holding. I just really feel like somebody is holding on to some shit that happened, some things that were said. There may have been some type of cross-action activity. Y'all know what cross-action is. But at the end of the day, it just really feels as though there's some holding on to how things were and how things may have started off and really trying to get this back. Some of y'all might be lighting candles, some love candles. It's your life, okay? But I really feel like overall, everything happens as it should. And with that being said, I'm feeling like here that many of you may be very intuitive and seeing things for what they are. We know, okay, as above is so below. Y'all trying to be reasonable about the situation here. So let's see what they got going on. All in y'all feelings. Looks like y'all looking at it from a logical perspective. Using a little intuition up in there. But you're trying to be logical about it. Ooh, baby, what y'all must be. I really feel like the relationship is hit a dead spot. You know what I mean? Like when you go in a tunnel and your phone don't work or your satellite radio don't work in a tunnel or under a bridge. I feel like that may be the issue here. All right. So whoever you are dealing with, they are really trying to, they may be discussing things with someone that they trust regarding this situation. They also feel as though I really feel like there's some things that may have transpired that has this person feeling as though, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do nothing. Everything I try to do, it just don't feel right. But there's a lot of chemistry between the two of you, right? Either you are married to this person or they are thinking about, is this a long-term commitment? Is this something that I can put more effort into? Because they see you as someone that they could really commit to, but they're also looking at some of the things that may have been said or done that has them it triggered some things in them. Yes. It feels like they will be expressing how they feel about you or expressing, whatever it is that you did, they having a problem with it. They're going to tell your ass. They just want you to loosen the reins. You may be dealing with someone who is very carefree, very high-spirited. I get doesn't want to be tied down in a traditional sense, right? So whoever it is that you are dealing with, I just really feel as though they may even have an issue with someone that you have been hanging around or someone that you may have gotten some advice from. They ain't trying to hear that. Right there. Whoever you are dealing with, they may not be used to the way that you want to move forward in this relationship. They may also be so caught up in taking this to the next level and moving forward. I just really feel like they are in a space of, I don't know, like some 9 of Wands type shit. I don't know. I mean, I want to move forward. I really have a lot of chemistry with this person. I feel like they could be the one, but they don't know. They are really, whoever it is that you are dealing with, they're not, backing down on you. They're not moving back because they really feel like there's something more there. my whole head of her is moving. Whatever. It really feels like with everything that they've gone through, everything that they've been through, they're in a space of really wanting to express to you, if they haven't told you already, they really want to tell you or let you know how they feel and what makes sense to them. I really feel like y'all are dealing with someone who's very logical, right? They're very intuitive, but they put logic over their intuition. Yes, they may have these thoughts of feeling restricted. Some of you may be dealing with someone who is married and they're trying to get out of the marriage, or they're trying to get away from some long-term commitment. But I really feel like they are attached. They may be attached to another person. And there's a such thing as mental attachment, emotional attachment, some type of attachment, spiritual attachment. It can go so many ways. I feel like they want to exchange some type of insight with you on where this relationship go and how it should move forward. It will totally be up to you. But as long as you understand how this person thinks and how they are triggered by certain things, once they explain these things to you, I really feel like they will be in a space of moving forward. Do you live a mindful, present, and aware life, or do you refute, repress, and reset without challenging yourself to heal and grow? I hear people say they want to be a better person and turn right around and refuse to do the work. I too have struggled with this, and it became very clear what I needed to do. How often do you repeat patterns of behavior and repeat certain cycles over and over? Do you really hold yourself accountable for your feelings and attitudes? How much longer will you go against the grain and create more damage? I had to learn to incorporate 5 things to become more mindful, present, and aware. They are patience, forgiveness, persistence, self-love, and stillness. Once I did these things, my life began to change for the better. I now enjoy my process moment by moment, and I teach you this in my journal, a 90-day journal to mindfulness. You can check it out along with my other tools at toolsforintuitives.com.